Hi, I am Martin Cornelio.
Hi, I am Simon Vincent Jaitan,
Hi, I am Felicia Sherry L. Gonzalez.
and this is my Sprout Up Journey.
These very students who are listening to this video will be our future scientists, leaders and world changers that can even be known worldwide.
I believe that agriculture has to be the key for the Filipino people to have an abundant life free from hunger and to have a high income generating livelihood.
Agriculture is not just a profession but rather a source of hope for each individual.
It's a vital industry that contributes to our society and economy.
The most important element for a properly functioning nation.
Hindi sila farmer lang, kundi farmer kami.
Ako si Chris.
This is Faye.
I am Angel.
This is Jean Andrea Palacio.
I am Francis.
This is Lexa Kim Sablan.
This is Rina Hernandez.
Ako si Lexi.
I'm Gabriel Tesoro.
Hi, I am Felicia Sherry L. Gonzalez.
This is Mark Louis Cornelio.
I am Daphne.
This is Simon Vincent Jaitan.
This is Arvin Joshua P. Barlongo.
Para sa bayan.
Para sa bayan,
Para sa bayan.
Para sa bayan,
Agham.
And agham at agham.
Agham.
Agham,
Agham.
At agrikultura.
At agrikultura. Agrikultura. At agrikultura.
At agrikultura.
At agrikultura.
At agrikultura.